Yeah, first of all, I thanks James Academy management that they give me such a wonderful opportunity to speak about this session. This session is really wonderful session, and we can we can understand that what the touch is required and how we can bond with our kids. So basically what we left that we are engaged in different kinds of meetings and business meetings and other those things. So we are also very much frustrated most of the time, and whatever the questions asked by our kid, so we just neglect this type of questions and all those things. So getting a proper answer of this question is also sometimes difficult for, and they are very much they can't understand that why they are doing such means why they are doing studies and all those things, and most of the questions we are never asked them. So from this kind of program, we know that each and every questions we should answer properly. If that time is not possible, we can answer after some hours or some days also, but we should answer properly whatever we think that. So it will gradually increase their knowledge and all those things, that why they are doing such kinds of things. So that is a good effect in good effect. And whatever principal sir is also said that we should be a role model with our kids, because whatever we are doing, they are just they are just listening to us, they are just watching, and they can follow. So first we should be role model. Thank you James Academy. Thank you, sir.
First of all, thanks to James Academy International School, because this is my first parental meeting for the new principal. So before, my thinking is totally different. The principal is very upper level, we can't meet. But now this is the principal. Before I seen her videos, so this is a totally difference, and I am very happy you are connecting our principal and school, everything. So I am very happy. I sent my daughter for this school, and I am very appreciate to all our academies, this management team, principal, and all our teachers. Thank you very much.
We are a very proud parent of Sivanand. Initially, when our son didn't earlier, he never been to formal school. So when we actually inquired about to give him admission in a school, we asked our colleagues. So they suggested James. There are many reasons for which they suggested James. One of the reason is in James, they not only give formal education and schooling, they help the child to develop psychological skills like personality and all that. We come across many initiatives of James which actually helped my child to come up, to develop what we are actually expecting from him.
Hello, and I'm very happy that my son is studying at James Academia International. Since he didn't attend school during COVID times, this was his very first exposure, but he got admission into KG2, and I was little skeptical how he is going to fare. But I think with the efforts of the teachers here, he could cope up very well, and he's developing into a good individual. And I like the initiatives that are being taken by the school, especially the principal, when he's organizing this parent touch program. Many of us are bothered about how to give good parenting, and this is really helpful. There are small things, but those small things make a big difference in our life and how we sort of mold our kid into a good individual to face the world. And thank you very much for being there for our kid.
आज मैं स्कूल में आई तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। सर जो आज हम लोग को मेरे सामने जो बोले, मैं अपने बच्चे के लिए बहुत कुछ सीखी। मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि मैं कुछ ऐसे ही ट्राई करूँ कि वो अपने बच्चे के लिए, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, मैं बहुत कुछ सीखी। थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you so much, ma'am. I am Tanishka's mother, KG1 क्लास। टुडेज जो प्रोग्राम था पेरेंट टच प्रोग्राम, वो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा क्योंकि प्रिंसिपल सर ने जो स्पीच दिया कि बच्चे के साथ मुझे कैसे बाउंडिंग करना है, उन्हें फेयर से नहीं पढ़ाना है, उनके साथ बहुत बाउंडेड पढ़ाई देना है, उनको समझाना है, उनके क्वेरीज को आंसर करना है, वो चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी लगी, बहुत अच्छा समझ में आया। और एज अ पेरेंट्स, और जैसे हम लोग अपने चाइल्डहुड में थे तो क्या गलतियाँ करते थे, वो हम लोगों ने जो चीज़ें सीखा है वो मिस्टेक्स करेंगे, वो सीखेंगे, तो उनको छोड़ना है मुझे, उनको अपनी लाइफ को जीने देना है, इसलिए बाउंडेड बहुत ज़्यादा उनको प्रेशराइज नहीं करना। दैट्स आई थिंक हम लोगों ने ये चीज़ें ज़्यादा माइंडेड किया है, ज़्यादा सीखा है ये चीज़ें को। और कंपैरिजन नहीं करना है, सबसे बड़ी बात, उनको फेयर नहीं देना, कंपैरिजन नहीं करना है किसी से। तो दैट्स इट्स अ वेरी गुड थॉट। थैंक यू सो मच।
मुझे आज बहुत अच्छा लगा स्कूल में आके, इवन ये पेरेंट प्रोग्राम का सर ने बहुत अच्छा कुछ बोला, बहुत कुछ सीखने को भी मिला, और जो कि मैं अपने रियल लाइफ में भी बहुत कुछ फॉलो करना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि एवरी चाइल्ड इज़ अ रोल मॉडल ऑफ देयर ओन। तो ये बात उनकी मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अप्रिशिएट की, और स्कूल जो हर तरह की जो एक्टिविटी ला रहा है नया नया सोशल रिफॉर्म के थ्रू, वो सब भी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा। दैट्स ऑल।
बहुत अच्छा लगा स्कूल में आकर। ये प्रोग्राम टीचर प्रिंसिपल के लिए सब बने अच्छे थे, और हम लोग को और कुछ सीखने के लिए मिले, बच्चे के लिए भी, सबके लिए। थैंक यू।